video, I'm going to assume that you're having some difficulties learning how to fold a fitted sheet, and maybe yours look like this, right? You just don't know how to get the corners in. It's just a complete mess. So stay tuned and let's fold the fitted sheet together. The first thing you're going to do is find the 4 corner seams. I'm going to look for the corner point, which is somewhere down on the sheet, and get 2 seams matched up together on one index finger, and then repeat on the other side. 1. Sometimes it takes me a while to find them. Not too bad today. All right, so 2 on the left, 2 on the right. You're gonna take the right hand or right finger over the left and flip the sheet so you've got all 4 corners on one hand. Find a nice flat surface, lay the sheet down. Bed typically works the best, and try and get the sheet into as good of a rectangle as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect, unless you're going for perfection. Rectangle, then fold it into thirds. 1, 2, all right, 2 thirds there. Fold it last time in half. And there you go. How to fold a fitted sheet.